fidget vending machine, except Alexa places an order. Let's start with card, cash, or coins. Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 3.
Here's a number between 1 and 3. It's 3.
Coins. Now for a color. Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 12.
Here's a number between 1 and 12. It's 12.
Multicolor. Now let's see what theme she wants. Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 6.
Here's a number between 1 and 6. It's 6.
Surprise. Now for the number of fidgets. Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 4.
Here's a number between 1 and 4. It's 3.
3 fidgets. She wants 3 multicolor surprise fidgets. Let's see what fidgets she got. Guessing by her fidgets, I think her surprise theme was animal. She got this multicolor slug, this multicolored crab dimple, and this multicolored owl poppet. Alexa, do you like your order?
Yes.
Who should I ask next? Bye, guys!